Hey, let's go. Let's go. Do it. Get out! Get out! Get out!
This Brevard County stop produces a textbook probable cause cascade under the Fourth Amendment with 3 independent grounds. First, an equipment violation under Florida Statute 316.610. Second, an observed driver-to-passenger seat swap. Third, prior officer knowledge of license suspension under Statute 322.34. Any single ground would survive a motion to suppress. The forcible extraction is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. At that moment, the subject had locked the doors, activated the ignition, and ignored repeated lawful commands authorized by Pennsylvania v. Mimms. Breach was the only option short of permitting flight by an impaired operator.
Miss Kelly, I need you to open the window. Miss Kelly.
Yes, officer.
Can you roll down the window for me, Miss Kelly? You remember me? Huh?
No.
I was the one that dealt with you a couple times.
What do you mean?
Huh? What?
You were asking me to move the clip.
Yes. So the reason why I'm stopping you, obviously the windshield's not able to be driven like this, okay? So do you have your driver's license with you?
I wasn't driving.
Yes, ma'am, you were. I watched you. I actually also watched you get from the driver's seat to the passenger seat.
My boyfriend, because he drove the car.
Yes, I know your boyfriend. I watched you get from the driver's seat to the passenger seat. Okay.
So I call my boyfriend.
Ma'am.
Please call my boyfriend, please.
Where's he? Where is he?
He's at work.
Where's he work? Calm down. I'm not arguing with you. Where's he at?
Jazzy's.
He's at Jazzy's? So you're saying he was driving, but he was at Jazzy's?
I'll never call my boyfriend.
Okay. Do not. No. Miss Kelly, this is not going to go well, okay? I need you to open the window. Miss Kelly, I need you to lower down the window. What? What happened? Okay, I'm not playing this game. So I stop her.
Yeah.
Because I watched her pull out of dancers and I know she doesn't have a DL.
Okay.
Okay? Also, the windshields are atrocious.
Okay.
Okay, and they've been stopped for it many times and say they're gonna fix it, gonna fix it, gonna fix it.
Okay.
As I'm pulling up behind her, and I'm going to originally go that way.
Who's still left in the vehicle?
That's Kelly. She's the only person in there. She switched over from the driver's seat to the passenger seat.
Let's get her out.
I tried. She locked the door on me, and I'm about to punch the window. She doesn't get out the car.
Hey, Kelly. Hey. Okay. Hey, Kelly. You need to open up or we're going to break the window.
Let me trust her.
Open up or we're going to break the window. Hey. Can you open the door, please? You're not in any trouble, okay? We just need to get you out. You're all right. Yeah, stay there. Don't turn the car on. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Do it. Get out! Get out! Get out! Yep, good. Back up. Yep, gotcha. You okay? Yep. Are you good? Yep. You good? Good. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Miss Kelly, we gotta get up. Gotta get up. No, Miss Kelly.
Glasses are broken.
Okay, Miss Kelly. So have a seat in the chair, Miss Kelly.
Alrighty.
All you had to do is open the window, ma'am. That's all you had to do. This all could have been avoided.
Cut. Yeah, she's got some cuts on her legs. She was in the passenger seat. She got back in the driver's seat, started the car, and was about to pull off. So that's how you smash it.
Yeah, window smash and withdrawal before she fled.
Absolutely.
Lawful order to get out, everything.
Absolutely.
All right.
We give her ample opportunity.
What?
Hey, Kelly, you want some water?
I punched the right side window, so I saw her come out of Dancer's parking lot, and I saw the windshield, so I was going to flip around and stop her. Then she pulled in here, and I saw someone flip over to the passenger side. So I
Does
flipped.
she have a valid license?
To my knowledge, no, because every single time I stopped out with her, it's been suspended. So she's going.
Good.
Yeah.
And then she pulls into here, hops to the passenger seat.
What else hurt?
I come up to the side, she's already crying. She's already bawling her eyes out. I say, hey, what's going on? And she's saying that she wasn't driving, her boyfriend was driving.
Go ahead,
I get it. Hey, I get it. What else? As we're trying to get her out.
The blood test posture is the most legally precise moment on tape. Under Birchfield versus North Dakota, 2016, warrantless blood draws are not permitted incident to a DUI arrest. Florida's implied consent statute, 316.1932, treats refusal as administrative suspension, not as grounds for compulsion. The deputy's posture, a refusal, is constitutionally correct. The vehicle search rests on two independent grounds: plain view for the bladed weapon and open alcohol containers, and search incident to arrest under Arizona versus Gant, 2009, which permits searches for evidence of the offense of arrest. The most legally fraught moment is the on-scene ketamine discussion. Chemical restraint at law enforcement direction, absent independent medical necessity, is the precise pattern that produced civil liability in the Elijah McClain litigation. The body cavity disclosure triggers Florida Statute 901.211, the strip search statute which prohibits field cavity searches. The officers correctly take no enforcement action there.
Anything else physically hurt on you? At that point, Anything else?
I don't want to talk. I want to be left alone.
Showing inmate release status, reference battery on a Leo.
10-4.
All right, gentlemen. Refused to get out of the car, smashed the window, dragged her out.
Okay.
She has a couple bleeding cuts throughout her leg.
Okay.
You can
From
just
the
check her out.
glass?
Yes, sir.
right.
Okay, listen.
All right.
That's the only thing I got.
Other than that, we're good. I'm not going to risk someone getting kicked trying to look at her feet. I don't see enough blood to be worried.
Is there any way that we could bandage it up? Because, well, we got to...
We got to get it med cleared anyway.
I'm going to take her to the hospital.
Yeah.
Do you have like a booty that you can put on her?
I might have plastic bags.
Booties! You need the booties! You need the booties! All of you need the booties!
Calm down.
Hey, Q.
Honey,
It's gonna be DUI too. You see, there's 6-pack.
Clean the floor.
Of the beer?
Yeah. I mean,
She's not going to cooperate with the exercises. I already know it.
I would see she would consent to blood, and then you can charge her with that too.
So just for the blood? Just for the blood?
We'll just try to
See if she would consent to blood.
there's not a cell over your car, so you
She's got to go to the hospital anyway.
Yeah.
So see if she'll get blood.
There's a whole 6-pack in the passenger.
I'm fucking up my
She has a
vagina.
six-pack.
But it's all I do. I'm fucking up my vagina when you're talking about.
She's always like this.
Yeah, but I'm smelling alcohol.
There's a whole 6-pack of Budweiser in the passenger seat where she was sitting.
She's intoxicated. It's a DUI investigation.
Okay. I know I'll see if she'll want to do fields. I doubt it.
Okay. You don't want me to look at them?
Well, then if she's a refusal, then she's a refusal.
Okay.
It's really a pocket knife in my vagina.
Hold up. Stand by.
Thank you. I really don't want to get set up on charges. I'm
Huh?
a different kind of female.
What happened?
I keep a pocket knife in my vagina.
Why?
Because I can.
That's not safe.
I don't give a f***. Y'all are insane.
Miss Kelly, can you look at me for a second?
No.
Why not?
I really don't want to look at you. I want to look at him.
Who do you want to look at? Him?
Him.
You want to look at one of them? Can you look at one of them then?
I'll touch you right in the dick one time. I'll suffocate you to death.
Miss Kelly, do you remember me?
Pretty sure I do.
Okay. Am I mean to you right now?
Doesn't matter if you're mean or nice.
Okay. Miss Kelly,
I'm talking out my vagina. Get it out because I don't want to get extra charged.
we're going to talk about it in a second, okay? Miss Kelly, can you just look at
I
me
just
for 1
want this
second?
guy away from me before I use it on him.
Who?
I bet you I can. Don't even try me.
She's under arrest. She has injuries. She's going to fight us tooth and nail. We got to get her up to the hospital for medical clearance regardless.
Hey, if I drop her with ketamine, will you put her in the back with the cop?
Yeah.
You're good with it. I'll stick her in the arm with ketamine, take 2-3 minutes. She'll calm down enough that we can just put her on stretcher. If you guys are willing to put someone in the back of the ambulance, they'll transport her.
Okay.
All right.
I'm just thinking because if she's already telling us she's going to fight and everything.
Yeah.
Said she has a pocket knife in her.
Yeah, she said she'll cut me in the jugular. She can
She's
get to
gonna
it.
punch me in the face. So.
Yeah.
All right, let me get the drugs.
You ready to stand up?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna get in the back of your car. Jeez. Yep, absolutely. Okay, we're gonna go right in the back of this car, okay? Just watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step. Okay. Watch your step. Okay? Here. I'm gonna go and put your seatbelt on, okay? Alright, just relax. Relax. I'm gonna make sure he turns on the AC for you, okay? Alright. So right behind the beer, there's a damn sword right there. I'm waiting till I've got, it looks like paraphernalia in plain sight. Oh, that's real. That's got an edge.
Woo! You guys good?
Yeah.
All right, boys.
Thanks, brother. Appreciate you. I'm assuming there's going to be plenty of drug paraphernalia in here too. These are just the one hitters. Looks like some residue.
On grades, the primary deputy earns a B, statutorily literate and tactically patient, with 1 verbal lapse. The extraction team earns a B+ for clean execution. EMS receives a provisional C+ on the sedation question. The subject earns a D, spared an F only by the absence of completed violence. The institutional grade is a provisional B-. 3 lessons emerge from this footage. First, refusing to exit is not the exercise of any constitutional right. It is a separate misdemeanor under Florida Statute 843.02. Second, false exculpatory statements are admissible as consciousness of guilt. Third, post-McClain officers should not be prescribing sedation. That decision belongs to medical personnel exercising independent judgment. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns.